Installing the application is really easy. You scan the QR code and then you simply follow the steps in the installation wizard to add your dashcam. So you can see the front camera. I can switch to the back camera and I can switch inside the car. You can see I have GPS signal. Then I have settings on the right, recording. I can set the time span from 1 minute video, 2 minute video, 3 minute video. The metric system. I can change the sensibility of my collision detection. Wi-Fi password. I can reset the SD card and I can return to the pause recording. Here I can also see my location. And then most important, of course, is the album view formula. So let's see here, I was waiting as the road was blocked. This is the front camera image. You can see the back camera image as well. Note how the license plates are good visible. And then we have the side view, and that's nice as it stitches both images together directly. So that's a really nice feature. You directly have the inside view. Let's see as well the front view. Really nice image quality. Everything is good visible. The rear side as well. For a rear camera, I think the quality is quite good. And then the inside. Now then we also have a moment. So I think those are the pictures. Then we have locked. As soon as it locks an image, you will hear a small beep sound. So that's a signal that it locks the video in place. So that's when the G sensor senses a movement. So like here, it is quite rough terrain, so if you drive quick, you can see every detail in the lower left corner. So 40 kilometers an hour on this road, it's quite bumpy. In the rear view again, it's already great. And then we have the parking surveillance option. So that's where the radar senses something in front of the car. And as you can see, it recorded all the time, because here you can see I have footage from the full period where the car was parked. This is a way to see how well the cameras work at night. Pretty good with the infrared camera. And let's go further back. Sunset, how the camera quality performs. So like here at the supermarket, I wasn't parked next to any car, but there was a sign just in front of the car. Everything is well visible. Now the last thing we're going to check is the download speed of this dashcam. So let's try to download this clip. And the clip is downloaded. You can check the downloaded files right over here. You can see here again with the paid VIP version, you can download to the Drive as well, the Google Drive. This view is very nice though. You can see where the car drove with a city map from Apple Maps. And a really nice overlay with the G sensor, the speed I drove. So this I have to say I really like, and the image quality is fabulous. And here I can also download it to the album of my telephone itself. I can cut the image right here, add music, so that's a nice option as well. So here again, let's download the rear video. Of course that should be a lot quicker as it only films in 1080. So here the same overlay.